Try these versatile and easy-to-do keto pretzels. With only 2 net carbs, they are a yummy addition to your keto diet. What do you think of this recipe? Drop your comments below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, like and subscribe to our channel.
If you enjoyed the video, let us know by giving the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. And lastly, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button.